Hi, welcome to Nasware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install WooCommerce and then create simple setup to showing shopping page. First, click plugins and click add new in here and type in here WooCommerce and then select this plugin and click install now. Then you can activate. After that, we can click yes please in here and then for example we just using our store address in here. Select for example I choose in my country like this. Then we can just continue this. In which industry does the store operate? For example, we choose fashion and we choose physical product for example, and business retail we just fill. Okay, I just know for fast in here and then click continue. And you can using storefront or continue with my active theme. Choose your theme. We can click no thanks in here. We can click continue and we choose first product in here. For example, we can choose with some dress in here, dress one, and we can just dismiss. Select product image and upload your product. Okay, it's allow only JPG PNG. We can select files and choose our dress for example. And create setup product. You can create gallery with this, but in here we just skip this, and then you can create start description will appear in sort of description of your product. You can choose regular price for example. In here I choose 200 and sell price, let's choose 180 in here. And for product category you can add new, for example choose dress. You can also create text. This is for easier user to filter later. This is for long description of your product. And then we can publish. You can click view product in here, and now your WooCommerce is done. Later we will select our configuration, address, and cart options. We check out for a user, of course. You can see there WooCommerce give you URL to your shop page, but this is not look beautiful. We will try to configure later. And don't forget to subscribe to get any update from Nasser. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.